Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. This is a lock repair. What I'm doing here is called bridging the gap, where I took some hair and I placed it where the lock is weak, and I am braiding it down to a certain point. After that, I'll start twisting it to make it smooth. So I'm just creating a bridge to make the lock stronger, and that's what I'm doing right here. And I'll start twisting it around like lightly, not too heavy, just to give it a smooth look. And then I'll use the Dreadlock Machine to lock it down. In this section, I've already used the bridging the gap method, and I rounded out the lock to make it match after I braided it. And then now I'm using the Dreadlock Machine to smooth out all the edges and make the lock blend with the lock that's already locked. So I braided it, bridged the gap, smoothed it out in this section here. Thanks for watching. Tell 20,000 friends.